Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be discussing how to fix notification sounds that are not working after iOS 17 update. So for that you need to open settings, tap on focus status, turn off don't disturb, and then now tap on sound and haptics and enable change with buttons. Also check for your notification tone as well. Now go back and tap on notifications. Also check for particular app. Enable sounds for every app. If your problem is still not fixed, then restart iPhone. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, share and like the video. Thank you for watching.